This is a 2012 Ford Focus. I'm going to change the battery out. Got these 2 bolts there, one there, one there. We have the died again?
I drove it, parked it.
Okay, got that. We have got to take off this piece as well. So I already did this piece. This piece goes here, like this, and then this is underneath of it. We're just gonna leave that lay there. And let me get a light. This one's dead. Are you kidding me? Alright, now we have to get to this terminal right here. Nope. Okay, got that loose. Slide this up. You can see there's just this in here. Now, I have a memory saver on this thing, so it's still technically live, and it helps, you know, keep the radio presets, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to do that, but it makes my life a lot easier. Then come in through here and get strong. Let's do this. This. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to sneak this thing out of here. Oh, that hurts. So this is going to undo all these leaves. I'm going to get them out of here. And this looks like yeah, I'm struggling too. If I'm not mistaken, I think. Now, I know that this comes off. There we go. That'll give me just enough room. Let's flip that down. There we go. It's so strong. Okay. All right. Take this. Move this over. The battery. Put these back on. These are still good. All right. Slap these back in there. All right, now let's put this back. We're gonna go way downtown. That one's about to die. Holy mackerel. I'm actually gonna unplug this because I didn't like, man, I'm struggling. Did not like how it was plugged in over there. Man, goodness sake, Field. Okay, let's undo this a little bit. It's tightening. So, gotta make sure, I don't even know if you can see back there, but okay, that's nice and square. I'm going to actually get a 10 millimeter shallow. Good there. We can, I'm going to leave this for 1 second. I'm going to take this. There we go. Just that one, and that one. Let's put this on. Okay. It's all nice and secure. Let's plug this in. And this one will go under here. Okay. This one is going to go back her. Alright, there's that one. There's that one. Let's plug this in. Alright. This 10, that 10. Actually, let's do a test. I still have my memory saver on, so I'm going to pop up in there. And by pop up in there, I mean I'm going to go inside the car. Got 12.5. Unplug this. Okay. Battery test, regular, CCA. This was 5. We'll go 575. I think it was. Let me make sure. It's 735 cranking amps. 590. All right, well, I mean, it's 608, so. I don't know why. Oh, because the battery voltage is low. But it tested at 100% health, 608. So we'll print that out. I'm very happy with that, especially if we're going on the remote terminal. But we're good to go. Spray some fluid film. Back there. Protect the terminals. Just a little, just a spritz. All right, then this goes. All right, I don't like this. Goes like that. Okay, so this one goes there, that one goes there, and now this one will push in the front, and then we can clip all them down. All right, it's got 107 16K on the clock. Let's see. This got, yep, 116,069. I'm gonna put that right here. One bat 116K 1-26. And that's pretty much it on doing a battery on a 2012 Ford Focus.